What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Roshana, and today I'm here with the 613 hair that I dyed into like a light ash blonde. This video is sponsored by Eullair hair, so shout out to them for sending me the bundles, 322s and then a 20-inch frontal. So I'm definitely excited to show you guys how I styled this hair. So if you're interested to see how I styled this hair, then just keep on watching. So this is what the hair first looks like when you get it out the package. It just says Eullair and it comes in a little baggie, which is so cute. And then it says your human version hair, and it also has their website. So guys, let's get into what's inside of this bag. Of course, we have the 3 bundles of 22 inches, and this is 613 blonde, their body wave hair. And just, oh, look how beautiful it looks. And now this is the frontal. It is also body wave, and it is 20 inches. As I unravel this bundle, you guys can just see how pretty this looks. It's so flawless. Oh my god. It just looks bomb. And like I said before, this is their 22 inches. And this is just how it looks, guys. So now into the frontal. Let me just tell you, this frontal is gorgeous. I don't know. Something about 613 blonde hair is just so damn pretty. Like, look at that. Also, the frontal came pre-plucked, which I really liked, and it also had pre-made baby hair. I'm going to show you guys that in a bit. Basically, another thing about the frontals of 613 hair is that you don't have to worry about bleaching it because the hair is already bleached. So that's less work on you. So I really like that. And there goes the pre-made baby hair. So it's really helpful if you're a beginner and you're new and you don't know how to cut baby hair and all that stuff. And then it came with some lashes. Now let's get into how I styled this hair. So this is what I look like the next morning after I forgot to tie my hair, and I just need to restyle this and just need to take care of it. So I did dye this hair. If you guys missed that video, I'm going to have it down below in the description box for you guys. Going in with my olive oil sheening shining spray, I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair. This is just going to make the hair softer and easier to comb through because I have a couple of knots in the hair because, like I said, I fell asleep in the hair and woke up with it all crazy. So we're just going to tame this bad boy. So now going in with my foam first memory, my styling foam. This is just going to work as a mousse. And this is perfect for trying to lay your hair down and getting all your flyaways in, one place. And just to really direct the hair on how you want it to look. So I love my hair flat, so this is perfect for me. I use this all the time. It's totally optional if you're not into the whole laid back look. Now going in with my hot comb, this is just another step I like to use or like to do because I love my hair flat. I like to get it flat because I feel like it looks more natural. And right now, as you guys can see, I'm rocking the middle part, so definitely I want it flat. I want my hair laid, and I want it to look just, I don't know. I just love the laid look. It's just me. So once again, if you're not interested in that, then you can skip this step. So now going back in with that same memory styling foam that I was using earlier, this is just to make sure I lay the hair down again. I really like to I love using this thing, and I realized I saw in a lot of Instagram videos, a lot of professionals love to use mousse a lot too. It's not just me. So it's definitely a thing. If you haven't tried it, girl, get to it, okay? But now I'm just going to go ahead with my wand, my curling wand, and this is just going to really lay my hair down. I feel like most of this video is just me trying to get it as laid as possible, which is a good thing because that's what I ended up doing. The results was amazing. So once again, totally optional, but I just decide, I do this every day actually. I feel like it really holds and molds the hair down, especially with the mousse. It just certifies that it's not going to move from this position, yet it doesn't feel too stiff either. So I really like that. So now I'm going in with my flat iron, and as you guys can see, the hair is still somewhat straight. So I'm not really taking bit by bit pieces. I'm just looking at what I feel like could be straighter, and I'm just re-straightening it, if that makes sense. So I like to do this a lot because I feel like when your hair looks freshly straight, it just gives you a finished look that I absolutely crave. So now guys, I just want to go in detail a little more about this hair. Like I said before, this hair is from Eullair Hair. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The direct bundle and frontal set that I purchased will also be down below. So basically the hair was 3 bundles of 22 inches. I did end up using all 3 bundles, and then the 20-inch frontal, which I absolutely loved. I feel like it really complements it because 22 inches and a 20-inch frontal, it was just looking hella long and hella cute. And I constructed the wig, and then I dyed it, and all that will be in the description box down below because I have a whole video on how I did that. So now I'm just flat ironing my hair again, you guys, and like I said, this is like, I'm not really being too direct. I'm just getting any parts that I feel like could be straighter, and I'm just straightening them. For me, I always felt like blonde hair looked better straight just because the color already looks a little bit unnatural on me. So I feel like when it was curled, it was just forced too much. So I really didn't want to curl it. And I know I got the body wave. So if you like straight hair, I suggest you getting the straight instead of the body wave. Because once you wash and dye the hair, it basically will lose its body wave. And it would just sort of kind of have like a slight wave to it maybe. Or it would just look straight. So if you want to wear the 613 hair just by itself and you want a body wave texture, then I suggest doing that. Now going in with my favorite product, the coconut miracle oil. This is just such a great oil-based sheen type of, oh my god, it makes the hair look so new and fresh, and it just makes it shine, and I love it. So guys, that is it. That's all I did to style this hair, and look at me, I'm ready to go. This is how the hair looks. It looks way more better, it looks way more newer than it did when I woke up, and how it looked at the beginning of the video. So this was definitely something I was excited to try. If you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in the hair, everything about Eullair Hair will be in the description box down below, so definitely go check them out, guys. I love if you watch till the end, and I will see you guys in my next video.